Track 93.
Hey guys, come and see this. It's Jose. He's on TV.
Wow, it is Jose. How cool.
Shh, I can't hear.
Jose, welcome to the show.
Thanks very much.
Now, Jose, you're 15 and you're from Brazil. People tell me you're very famous there. What are you famous for?
I sing and play the guitar. That's why I'm living in Britain now. I'm getting ready for a big concert. I'm learning some new songs and practicing my dancing, you know?
That's great. Well, lots of people know you here too. Look how many emails we've got from your fans. Can I ask you some of their questions?
Sure.
OK. Now, Adam asks, what kind of sports do you like?
Well, I like watching tennis and football, but I don't play them. I never do any sports.
But you dance a lot. Now, this one's from Amber. She says, what do you like doing in your free time?
Lots of things. I love taking photographs. I always have my camera with me. Look, here it is. Can I take your photo?
OK.
Also, I like using my computer. I often go on the internet to talk to my friends or play games. And I love watching movies.
OK. And Tia says, what's your favourite band?
Oh, that's difficult. I like lots of bands. Coldplay, Bastille, Muse, and lots more.
It's hard to choose, isn't it? Now, Megan asks, what's your favourite TV show?
Well, I don't watch much TV. I haven't got time. But I sometimes watch Doctor Who.
Yes, it's good, isn't it? I've got a question here from Natalie. She says, do you like getting letters from your fans?
Yes, I love it. I always read the letters and emails from my fans. I can't answer all of them, but I try.
Wow, Jose is famous.
Yes, we've got lots of questions for Jose too.
Track 94.
Fans. Band. TV show. Newspaper. Famous person. Songs. Movies. Concert.
Track 95. Example.
My brother always sleeps until 11:30.
1,
My dad often helps me with my science homework.
2,
I always play board games after school.
3,
My friend sometimes sends me very long text messages.
4,
I never take my phone to school.
5,
I always go to judo club at the weekend.
Track 96. A,
Fitness tracker.
B,
Laptop.
C,
Digital camera.
D,
Smartphone.
E,
Tablet.
F.
Smart speaker.
Track 97. Tia.
I love this. I take it to my friend's house and we watch films on it. And I put all my photos from my phone on it. Everyone in my family has one now. We all like them.
Bruno.
I've got one of these. I use it to help me with my homework. When we do projects, I go on different websites and find information. I also play games on it.
Daniela.
I take photos and send texts with this, and I use it to talk to my friends too. I like it because it's small and I can carry it in my bag. My parents don't like me using it a lot.
Victor.
We've got one of these in our kitchen. It's really fun. You ask it questions and it can tell you the answer. Well, sometimes it can. It doesn't always know the right answers. It also plays music and helps you remember things.